Hey guys, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Welcome to the One Box Challenge with Real Wife Life as our co-host. Sometimes boxes comes on all sorts and sizes. This month, my One Box Challenge is my husband's entire pickup truck. That's my box. And this is what we're getting rid of. Okay, we have two art pieces.
Wait, you gotta show them all the Christmas stuff inside here.
Two art pieces. What Christmas? A small cooler. Did you get the stuff in the kitchen?
I'll go towards that.
Right by the pantry. Oh, and one decorated tree that was in my living room. I decided to get rid of it. And one medicine thing. For 5 days, my husband had 4 of them and only one person. Okay, this is our first box of home decor that I've already showed you. It's going to the Goodwill. This is a under the bed tote. It's going to the Goodwill. A container. I have some wreaths. It's going. I have a box of, well, miscellaneous outdoors. That's all heading to the Goodwill. Here's a bag of my clothes. It's going too. My goal is to build this truck. Ooh. A bag of throws. This is a bag of my husband's clothes. Another bag of his clothes. A clock, a basket, and a audio book. Size blanket and a couple towels and a tablecloth. A bag of winter coats because my husband's company thinks he wears lots of winter in Texas when he goes to Texas. Tell him what you got.
I got a bunch of shoes and slippers.
5 pairs of shoes. Oh, and I got explaining to do. A gate belt, because I'll never be in STNA again. Okay, Penny, I got explaining to do. Rainbow hair extensions when I thought I was cool. Just saying, I ain't cool. Never was. And pink hair. And about 5 rolls of ribbon. What do you got there?
Bag. Recycle.
We're keeping those.
Oh, yeah. We found some more Christmas stuff, a tree and this stuff. I'm not sure what else. We'll have more again. Okay, we got some more stuff coming. Containers, Christmas stuff. I guess I'll just... There's a box. There's a box. That's just a bag. Some more fall and Halloween stuff. Got some ribbon. Cool.
No, tell them what's in there. Show them and tell them. Show and tell, honey.
We got a couple coolers, more bags, kitchen stuff. I got some cups, glass cups, cookie cutters, kitchen utensils, some ice decorating kit. There's like a trailer, a bird cage, and there's a cup.
You want this?
Butterfly. It's broke. They can't use it.
Oh.
I'll throw it out. Okay, we got more stuff. I guess that's just some kind of horse thing on a ladder. And dog stuff. Blankets for them, and I guess a thing of land. Hey, like and subscribe, and for notifications, hit the bell button, and you will get notified of videos. One more thing she didn't show you. I gotta come over here. It's almost full, but we got Christmas stuff in here that has to go too. So let me get my fingers out of the way. I'm sorry. Okay. Here's some more stuff going down there. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.